Hey friends, if you wish to fix the RPC server is unavailable error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So first of all, search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Now scroll down to the RPC service, which is in alphabetical order. So right click on the remote procedure called service, select properties and make sure that it's at automatic. Actually, in most of the cases you won't be able to change it, but just make sure that it's started. Now another thing is that you need to make sure that the internet connection is working, because if that is not working then you will face this issue. So open your browser and go to fast.com and hit enter and wait till you get the internet speed. If it's good enough, then proceed further. The last solution is a network reset. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced network settings in the right pane. Select network reset and then select reset now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.